I said, hey yo, this your boy Tulu, man, back with another video, man. How y'all doing today? How are y'all doing? Let me hear it. Hey, that's what's up, man. I hope you continue along that journey of accomplishing all your goals, and I hope you receive everything that you deserve, you know what I'm saying? So salute to you, keep grinding, keep doing your thing. And for those, if it ain't going so good for you right now, everything ain't all cupcakes and rainbows, hey listen, just wait 5, 10, 15 minutes, tomorrow, maybe next week, you'll definitely be in a better situation. So hey, chin up, keep trucking, man. And if you see somebody out there getting what they just do, you know what I'm saying, they getting there, handling their business, listen, don't hate on it, just wait on it. You definitely can get your time, man. So today's video, man, is just pretty much a update on what we've been doing with the car. I ain't even gonna lie, I haven't really been feeling like record anything like that. I've just been out here tinkering. For one, you know what I'm saying, I had to ship my camera back. It was going through some malfunction, so I had to send that back. The glasses, can't get them to work. And then my tripod for my phone, which we're on now, it has a broken leg. So hey, it is what it is, you know what I'm saying. We're gonna keep, you know what I'm saying, continue mission. So if y'all see, as y'all see, there are some changes done. I was just tired of that other hose. I definitely gotta find me a different hose, which I'm in the works of trying to find one now. And this steam port, man, I kept having problems with it, and it was just so I ain't want to deal with it no more. So what we did, we took the old one off and cleaned it up. Yeah, we threw some little orange on there, you know what I'm saying, and pretty much I've been making sure it ain't been leaking. Everything has been pretty much, oh man, look, I even broke my little piece right here to hold my radiator on. The little bolt just broke off in there, but hey, I'll get that out. I ain't worried about that. It's just some little odd and end things, man, that we've had to do, you know what I'm saying. I've cleaned up wire, and I've been making sure the fans come on. That's one of my biggest concerns, was making sure that fan come on. So evidently the relay and everything is working good. I did clean up, like I said, some wiring that was just stretched along here, and I also have to set up my relay where I want my relay at as well as these wires here that I have running for the cluster. I still have some I need to do some calibrations and stuff, and probably figure out another place for that ground back there. And then we have some loom over there. I did get some loom, some wire loom. Yeah, we got to start that calibration, man. We got to start doing calibrations. So we do have wire loom for those wires as well. And another thing that's concerning me is back here where I had to put that temperature sensor for the coolant at. Lord, this camera, I got to get back used to using the phone, y'all, for a little while till they send my camera back. So back here, this plug wire is sitting on that copper piece, and I know that can cause an issue. I've already dealt with stuff like that before, so I'm gonna have to find probably like a little boot or something that I'll probably just find a boot so I can put on that last plug. I'm sorry if y'all can't see, but back there. And I just wanted to make sure everything is good, man, before we hop on the road and actually test this thing. But as of it's sitting, running, and everything seems to be functioning properly. The only thing with the cluster is, and I don't even have it hooked up right now. Let me plug the battery up for y'all. And we got an OBD2 reader, man, so I'm learning how to use that as well. I know I haven't been dropping videos, like I said, man. I really haven't had the motivation, but y'all already know, like, I like to keep y'all updated. I like, if I learn something, I like to show y'all. So Like I said, this is just gonna be a little quick one, man. Let me hook this up real quick. I don't know why we were just talking about it the other day. I should just be able to leave this stuff on. Alright, so I know we got power in there. Dang, got that radiator cap on. I would show y'all if I tighten that up, but man, I don't know what's going on between that. I know that battery is bad as well. We do need to get a new battery. But we've been having, I don't know about right now, since we got 0 oil pressure, but we've been having a good reading on that, and temperature wise and everything. I gotta learn how to use this thing, but temperature wise and everything's been good. The only thing we need to adjust is the tach and the RPMs, the speed and the RPMs. That's it. And you calibrate those with these little toggles down here, which I did mark, and I'm glad I marked before I installed it, because I don't want to have to go look on the back of the board to try to adjust this thing, man. So that's that. And I know it's pretty much, I'm doing a whole lot of blabbering. I think we got everything straight with that oil pressure sending unit. We're not getting any leaks from that I can see, or you know, visibly. We good. We can cold start. Ooh. I don't know why it does that. Starter is definitely doing its job. Like seriously, it's definitely doing its job. Let me see that. Yeah, so the oil pressure has been sticking right around from 54, 56, 57. You know what I'm saying? It pretty much stays there. The temperature, I'm not pretty much sure on. I definitely want to probably try to get a reading when we get it tuned. That's another big thing, is that I've done all these changes to the car and we haven't tuned it or anything, from the gas till everything else. You know what I'm saying? We haven't tuned it. Like I said, there are some things that we are trying to line out, that we're trying to get done, and guess what? We're gonna get them done, man. We're gonna get them done. But everything seems to be like pretty much ironing out, besides like really what we need to do. Is there anything else that I need to let y'all know? Well, we do gotta burp the system, for real. We do gotta get that air out of it. So that's what I'm about to do next. I'm about to do that, pull the car out, and hopefully either later on today or either tomorrow, we'll be able to get her down to the store, drive her out, you know what I'm saying, drive her around, and you know, make sure everything is everything, man. I'm nervous. Like I tell y'all, man, this is my first time doing any of this type stuff, man. You know what I'm saying? Like, so anytime that I do work on my car, even with the small things, you know what I'm saying, it kind of makes me nervous. But hey, we're gonna continue mission. Hey, even if it's a fail, it's a lesson in my book, to me. You know what I'm saying? Some people may look at it as failure. I look at it as a lesson. So I know this was a short one, but I truly appreciate each and every single one of y'all support, each and every single one of y'all motivation. I love y'all videos, y'all content, man. Y'all keep growing, keep doing your thing, man. But until next time, hey, if you're new here, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, you've been watching, man, go ahead and subscribe. Make sure you hit that notification bell, turn everything to on, you know what I'm saying? So salute to that, and make sure you leave a comment, like the video, man. Until next time, man. Salute, salute, salute. Ah.